Hello, my name is Leanna House. I am an associate professor of statistics at Virginia Tech in Blacksburg, Virginia, and one of the lead instructors for this course, Experiential Introduction to AI and Ecology. This is now the third video of a sequence of three that is going to now draw your attention to what's happening next week on September 1st at 2 p.m. during our synchronous time. So we are in the first part of this course, so I'm going to hop to part one, right? And at the beginning of part one, you're again reminded about how to meet with us at 2 p.m. on September 1st. Right here is the Zoom link. Make sure you have completed the homework from Module 0 to assure that you've registered for this Zoom link. Again, the purpose of this video, though, is to bring our attention to what's happening next week for Module 1, Week 1, September 1st. This is our first of three lectures to be able to cover course foundations. And you can read the summary and the objectives, but specifically, I bring your attention to the pre-lecture activities. Before September 1, right, please watch videos, read these articles, and find an example. Right. Also, before September 1, you have completed the assignments from Module 0. I look forward to meeting you, seeing your faces on Zoom next week. Have a great day.